What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I built my drill press stand. I am using this stand for most of my projects. It's been a big help during those times, but now I'm realizing it's a little bit inconvenient to use. It's quite hard to press and control the depth when drilling. Maybe because there's not much mechanical advantage on this type of mechanism. The cord is always dangling in front of me, which really annoys me sometimes. Though it's not so bad and it helped me a lot already, but I thought I'll try to make a better one. I wanted the electrical cord to be facing at the back. The dangling cord annoys me so bad, so I want to eliminate that. The design is very basic. It's a straight up copy from original manufactured drill press. Well, at least I tried to come up with something close enough. The feed lever is designed by using a rack and pinion gears for optimal mechanical advantage, and I use coil spring for even smoother operation. I think the appearance looks good as well, especially the feed lever handles. That's my favorite. As always, the plans are available on both metric and imperial system. The download link is in the description below. And you might wanna hit that subscribe button and like. Thanks, I appreciate it. These are the hardwares that I used. Timing belt for the rack and pinion gears, but I would also recommend 3D printer timing belt and pulley. Or you can make one out of wood. Or if you can afford the metal one, that is perfect. 12mm threaded rod and ball bearings for the feed lever axle and corresponding nuts and washers. I got several types of bearing for the slider. Test all of them and decided using these V-groove bearings. Drawer slides are a good option also. Aluminum angle for the slider and a drill press coil spring that I ordered online. That's all about it, and let's see how I actually build it. Well, that is all for this one. I hope you enjoy following along my simple video documentation. I am happy with the end result and how it came out in general. The design was executed as per the plans. The features I wanted were incorporated. The cord can be slipped through the opening at the back. The drill bit is perfectly perpendicular with the base, and most importantly, the feed lever is softer than the old one, and controlling the depth when drilling is much easier. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again on the next one. Bye for now.